Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Will Smith, heard about him, believe so. Anyway, Make It Look Easy, that's the title of this new song, and we're gonna play it and make it look exactly as easy as it actually is. Very easy song, guys, so yeah, if you like this song, let's look at it. We had a capo set on 4th fret, that is the best center for us. We have 4 chords, let's go over them. I'm gonna start with C. Alright, so C goes 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D next, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. We have the E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. If you want, you can also add the 3rd fret E string there as optional note, because that is where the melody goes. Otherwise, just E minor, and then we have finally the A minor chord. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, let's look into the melody first, and it goes in that chord progression through the entire song of C, D, E minor, and A minor. So I'm gonna play 3rd A, open G, and open E. Then you have a big pause, and then comes the next chord, the D, and you're gonna play. That is the open D, 2nd G, and 2nd E. And then you have a big pause before the E minor part comes. So that goes 2nd D, open B, and 3rd high E. And that's the reason for having that added note to the chord if you want to when it comes to the strumming later. Anyway, that is the E minor part, and then we have the final A minor, which is open A, 2nd D, and 1st B. So that is what's going on here with the melody. Now let's go into the strumming. And if you grab the 1st chord, now you have to hold the chords fully as they are, of course. And one string around will go like this. So the first half of it will be down, down, up, clap, down. So down, down, up, clap, down. A pause, and then comes the second part, which will be down, clap, down. And then starts the next round immediately right after. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play one of these per chord, so C1, D1, E minor 1, and A minor 1 like this. And it is exactly as easy as it looks like. Anyway, hope you enjoyed Will Smith's new song. I did, in fact. So thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.